Good morning, children. As you know that exercise 2.5 we are going to start. In that, first question was the solve the following equations. In that we solved yesterday two examples, first and second. Today is the third and fourth. Then here is the what number one side, variable one side. We have to take it. Then here what will come? X. Firstly write the question as it is. X plus 7 minus 8x upon 3 is equals to 17 upon 6 minus 5x divided by 2 is there. Now number one side, variable one side. Then x minus 8x upon 3 and right sides RHS minus 5x by 2 will come to the LHS divided by 2. Then 17 upon 6 minus 7 is there. Now here is the what will be there? 3 into x means firstly we will solve these. Then we will see what will come. 3 into x. 3x minus 8x divided by 3 minus 5x divided by 2 is equals to. Now here what will come? 6 7 the cross multiplication will come. Here nothing is there means 1. Then 17 minus 7 6 the 42 divided by the 6 will come. Now solve these firstly means what? 3x minus 8x. From the 8 if we subtract 3 it will come the 5 and bigger number sign minus 5x divided by 3 minus 5x divided by 2. Then 17 minus 42 it will come the 25x minus 25 not x minus 25 divided by the 6. Now here is the denominator again we have to make equal. That's why cross multiplication will be there. 5 2s are 10 minus 10x and minus 3 5s are 15x divided by the 3 2s are 6. Then here what will come? Equals to minus 25 divided by 6 will come. Now here minus minus plus because both signs are the minus, that's why it will be the addition. Then 15 plus 10 it will be minus 25x divided by 6 is equals to minus 25 6. Then here is the minus minus plus will be there. Then what will be there? There is the 25 by 6 is there. Here is the what we got minus. One time we will check it is correct or wrong. 3 into x, 3x minus 8x will be there. Then here is the minus 5x is there, minus 5x will come to LHS, it will be plus 5x. Here is the what will come? Plus 5x. Here will come plus. Then here also will come the plus. 15 will come. Then here also what will come? It will not come the addition, it will come the subtraction because plus 15x minus 10x, it will come the 5x upon 6 and bigger number sign is the plus is there. Then 5x upon 6 is there and this 5 upon 6 will go to RHS, it will go in a reciprocal. That's why this minus sign will come the as it is. Then x is equals to 25 minus 25 divided by 6 and here will come 6 upon 5 will come. Then what will be there? 6 1s are 6, 6 1s are 6, 5 1s are 5, 5 5s are 25. That means x is equals to minus 5. That means x value we got the minus 5. This is the last answer ours. Okay. Then we saw the third question. Now we are going to see the fourth question. Now here is the what? X minus upon 3 and x minus 3 upon 5 is there. Now that 3 and 5 it is in a divide. It can go to LHS in a multiplication and to RHS multiplication. Means 3 can go to RHS in a multiplication and 5 can come to the LHS in a multiplication. Otherwise you can do like this way also, x upon 3 minus 5 by 3, then x upon 5, then minus 3 by 5. Then it is going to be so much lengthy. That's why what we will do the that whatever divide is there, it will come to LHS in a multiplication. Then what will come? First we'll write the question as it is. X minus 5 divided by 3, x minus 3 divided by 5. Then what will come? That divided RHS 5 will come to LHS in multiplication. That means 5 into x minus 5 and 3 into x minus 3. Like this way answer will get. Means here divided LHS, it will go to RHS in the multiplication. Now what will come? 5 into x, 5x minus 5 5s are 25 equals to 3 into x, 3x minus 3 3s are 9 will get. Then what will be there? The now variable one side, number one side. That's why 5x plus 3x it is in a positive, it will come in a negative, minus 3x. Minus 9 plus 25 will be there. Then here what will come? 5 minus 3x, it will come the 2x. Here will come the 2x. And there minus 9 plus 25, it will come the 16. And bigger number sign, that's why it will come the plus. Here will come the plus 16. Then next what will be there? 2 is in a multiplication, it will go to in a divide. That's why x is equals to 16 divided by 2. Then x is equals to 8 will get the answer. Like this way we got the x value 8. Nothing is here hard. Only they are divided, whichever 5 and 3 is there. It will go to RHS. 3 will go to RHS. 5 will come to LHS. Then multiply to bracket. After multiplying, then whichever variable signs are there, like that we change it. Variable one side, number one side, and then whatever plus or minus is there, do it that, and then you will get the variable value. Like this way, this question is over. Now fifth example is 3t minus 2 divided by 4 minus 2t plus 3 divided by 3 is equals to 2 upon 3 minus t. Now firstly we will solve the LHS and then we will take the RHS values. Now here is what we have to do. We have to multiply to cross multiply we have to do. By the 3 to the 3t minus 2 and by 4 to 2t plus 3 will be there. Then 3 to there. Then now firstly write the question as it is. 3t minus 2 divided by 4 minus 2t plus 3 divided by 3 is equals to 2 by 3 minus t will be there. Now here what will be there? Cross multiplication. 3 into. Then what will be there? 3 into 3t minus 2 minus 4 into 2t plus 3 divided by 4 3s are 12 will come. And here will come 2 by 3 minus t as it is. First we will solve the LHS values. What will come? 3 3s are 9. 9t minus 3 2s are 6. Then 4 2s are 8. And minus 4 into minus 3 minus 12. And divided by the 12 will come equals to 2 by 3 minus t as it is will come. We multiply by the bracket. 3 3s are 9 9t. 3 2s are 6 minus 6. Minus 4 into 2t minus 8t minus plus 3. It will be the 4 3s are 12 minus 12 came. RHS 2 by 3 minus 8 as it is will be there. Now here is the variable take one side. 9t minus 8t minus 6 minus 12 divided by the 12 is equals to 2 by 3 minus t will be there. Now solve this. 9t minus 8t. It will come the t only and bigger number sign is the plus because now here is the plus minus is there. 9 subtract 8, 1 will remain and t will come as it is. Now minus 6 minus 12 minus plus and 12 plus 6 it will come the minus 18. Minus 18 divided by the 12 is equals to 2 by 3 minus t will be there. Now what will be here? T minus 18 divided by 12 is there. Then here will come t by there we can do the like the before example also we can do. Otherwise we can do what? T by 12 minus 18 by 12 is equals to 2 by 3 minus t we can write it like this way. Now here we can make the simplest form by the dividing the 2's table. 2 9s are 12 2 9s are 18 and 2 6s are 12. Then here we can make the simplest form 9 and here will come the 6. 2 9s are 18 and 2 6s are 12. Then what is remaining? T by 12 and these numbers now variable one side number one side will take. Here minus t is there. Here will come the plus t is equals to 2 by 3 and here it is remaining 9 by 6 is there. This 9 by 6 also we can convert it by the again 3's table. Then there we will write, but first we will take the reciprocal. Here is a minus, there will, reciprocal also will not come because it is in a minus, it will go in a plus and as it is will go. Then here will come plus 9 by 6. But 9 by 6 by the 3's table can go. That's why 3 3s are 9 and 3 2s are 6 will come. That means 3 by 2 came. And here is the t by 12 plus t is there. That means what will come? Here will come t plus 12t divided by the 12 will come. Then here what will remain? Here is a 3 by 2. Then now cross multiplication will be do. 2 by 3 plus 3 by 2. What will come? Cross multiplication 3. 2 2s are 4. 3 3s are 9 divided by the 6. Now 9 plus 4 what will come? 13. 13 by 6. That means here will come 13t divided by 12 is equals to 13 by 6. 13 by 6 will come. Then what will come here? Now 13 by 12 t is there. It can go to reciprocal. Here I will write that answer. Then what will come their answer? 13 by 12 t is there. That 13 by 12 it is in a multiplication. form to T. That's why when it will go to RHS, it will go in a reciprocal. Then T is equals to 13 by 6 into 12 by 13 will come. 12 by 13. Then 13 cancel. 6 on the 6, 6 to the 12. That means T value is the 2 will get. T value what we got? 2 we got. Like this way, we solved this example. We substituted, we did the cross multiplication and then we got the T value is the 2. Now we will go to 6th question. 6th question is m minus, means first we will write the question. m minus 1 divided by the 2 is equals to, now these 3 can multiply to here. That means 3 minus m minus 2 divided by the 3. 3 minus m minus 2 will come. Now here do the cross multiplication, means what will be there? 2m minus m minus 1 divided by the 2. Now here is a 3 minus 2 is there, and minus 2 means subtraction. 3 subtract 2, 1 remain and bigger number sign. That's why 1 minus m divided by the 3 will remain. Now there is what? 2m minus m. 2m minus m means subtraction. From the 2 we have to subtract 1. That's why it remains m minus 1 divided by 2 and 1 minus m divided by the 3 is there. Now that 3 and 2 it is in a divide. We can take to LHS and RHS. Then what will come? That it is in a divide and LHS RHS it will go in a multiplication. That means 3 into m minus 1 and 2 into 1 minus m. What will come then? We have to multiply to that bracket by the 3 and 2. Here it will come 3m minus 3 and 2 minus 2m will be there, because we are multiplying by the 2 to the 1 minus m. Then 2 ones are 2 and minus 2m. Now number one side, variable one side. Then 3m plus 2m, because RHS minus 2m will come to LHS, it will come in a plus. Now 2 as it is of RHS and LHS minus 3 will go to RHS in a plus 3. Then here will come the 3. Now 3m plus 2m, it will be the 5m and 2 plus 3 means 5. Now this 5m, 5 is in a multiplication form to m. That's why that 5 will go to RHS in a divide. That's why here will come m is equals to 5 by 5. Answer will come m is equals to 1. Like this way we got the m value here, and we can, here is in this all example what is there? If division is there, it will, when it will go to RHS it will go in the multiplication. If addition is there, when it will go to RHS in a minus, or in RHS minus is there, when it is coming to LHS it will go in a positive. Like this way all these examples are there. Like this way 5th and 6th example is over.